Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through how you can run descriptive statistics using Excel fast, so stay tuned till the end of the video. So in this data set here we have the year of birth and we want to run descriptive statistics. So we go to data, then we go to data analysis, and here we choose descriptive statistics, which is this one. Click OK, and here we are going to specify the range, which is this one, and click OK. And then here this refers to the columns, so I will choose the columns. If I'm referring to the rows, I will switch to the rows. So here I will keep it in columns, and here where do I want to have the output. So first I need to have summary statistics. Maybe if I want some special statistics like confidence level for the mean, I can add them. Here I have the label is in the first row, so I will take this one, and the output range I want it, for example, here. I can simply select it here and then click like this and click OK. So here it is. You could see the year of birth, you see the mean, the standard deviation, standard error, the median, the mode, the standard deviation, the sample variance, the kurtosis and skewness for normality, the range, the maximum, the minimum, the sum, and the count. So this is in brief how we run descriptive statistics. If you go to data and you cannot find data analysis, you can simply go to file, then options, then you go to add-ins, and here you go to Excel add-ins, click go and check it from here, analysis tool pack. You can also include analysis tool pack for VBA, etc. You click OK, and that's it. Another option is to go to home and you use Copilot or analyze data, and you simply ask question, and Copilot will help you insert the appropriate graphs or titles. So here we have these data. I could insert a pivot table here, and I can insert, for example, chart. So here I could just keep prompting and finding the appropriate, let's say, representation of the data. However, the analyze data option is not that, smooth. It's not customizable. That's why I advise against it for now. So this is in brief how to run descriptive statistics using Microsoft Office Excel. If you have questions or remarks, do not hesitate to post them below. See you soon and bye for now.